Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Delhi Dawn, 24th March 2024. Start. Bahria Town linked firm on FBR radar for laundering 73 billion rupees. Report by Asad Malak, 24th March 2024. An inquiry conducted by the Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has detected alleged money laundering and tax evasion to the tune of billions of rupees by a trading company, Vicky Trading Private Limited, purportedly linked to the Bahria Town, one of the country's leading real estate developers. According to the documents available with Dawn, proceedings against the said trading company are underway at the Special Court of Customs, Taxation and Anti-Smuggling under the Anti-Money Laundering Act, Amla 2010. The FBR report claimed that Vicky Trading Company operated 18 accounts in various banks across the country. The accused admitted in its reply that all accounts are solely dependent upon Bahria Town, and in both companies, all the directors are family members. The report conveyed fund inflows from Bahria Town to the bank accounts of Vicky Trading Private Limited amounting to 319 billion, the report alleged, adding that the money was transferred from 2014 to 2018. The documents showed that inquiry into the 23 rupees billion money laundering case was started on 1st July 1919, as a response to a complaint lodged by Muhammad Ejaz, Inspector Intelligence and Investigation Inland Revenue of the FBR. The officer alleged that directors of the Vicky Trading Company engaged in the business of purchase of land on behalf of Bahria Town. The inquiry pointed out various anomalies in the account of the company and its directors were found, which prima facie, being used for the purpose of money laundering and tax evasion. The inquiry accused Vicky Trading Company directors of knowingly and willfully committing the offense of concealment of assets, non-disclosure of transaction of billions of rupees and tax evasion. According to the report, following the preliminary inquiry, show cause notices were served on the accused person under Section 9 of the Amla 2010. The investigation report found that trading company is principally engaged in trading activities as well as to purchase and hold land on behalf of other companies. However, the inquiries claimed that company admitted in its written replies that it had not purchased or held any land in its name out of funds transferred to it by other entities. It was revealed that the funds were used to purchase TDRs and later on disbursed back to Bahria Town, apparently for no economic reason. Investigation also revealed that the company is operated by directors or nominees only. There is no staff or employees on its payroll. In order to purchase hold land on behalf of other companies, it is necessary for the company to have staff employees on its payroll in order to account for and keep a record of transaction. Such non-existence of employees reveals schemes of things on part of the directors to avoid tax and show the incoming receipts oblique disbursements payments from loan oblique debit sources in order to hide the true sources full stop. The documents showed that a demand of Rs 73.541 billion was generated to the company on a discrepancy of rupees 82.825 billion full stop. Hence, it was found that the accused company received untaxed money with unclear sources in order tolerate and show it as taxed money paid back to Town as loan/advance repayment, including principal plus interest full stop. The investigation concluded that the accused are involved in offence of money laundering through predicate offence of concealment of income as they have no explanation with respect to receipt of funds from explained sources full stop. Company's response the company Wikitrading in its defense responded to the FBR that the investigation could assess the record from year 2017 onwards. However, examined examined the record from year 2013 in violation of the AMLA full stop. It stated that company was well reputed and compliant entity to the state full stop. It termed the investigation an extreme action as well as harassment full stop. The company claimed that they were doing business and adding revenue in the shape of heavy taxes to the national exchequer, and the application of the AMLA was not specifically for the bona fide taxpayers full stop. It may be noted that special court customs, taxation and anti-money laundering is conducting the trial of accused persons, namely Waqas Rifat, Wasim Rifat, Bilal Bashir and Muhammad Awais, all the directors of Wiki Trading Company, under Section 3, 4 and Section 12A of the Schedule I of the AMLA. Special Judge Syed Irfan Haider is conducting the proceedings full stop. However, the trial is progressing at a snail's pace as the court has issued notices to the accused persons with no further progress so far. Full stop. The end.